A ray of light is enough to disperse the deepest darkness. Crises bring the best out of us. Challenges motivate us to create wonders. And pandemics are fought with courage and positivity. We were progressing at a smooth pace with time. Year 2020 has caused immense repercussions on how business, economy, and overall way of life functions. SBI, as always, responded to the call of duty and served the nation during this unprecedented crisis, instilling hope and courage among the employees and the customers alike. Keeping in mind the need of the hour, SBI conceptualized and executed various initiatives that instilled positivity and ensured better mental and physical health of its employees. One such wonderful initiative, the Positivity Pledge, was rolled out wherein all the team members and the leaders pledged to foster positivity in their units. And that's not all. Having observed rising stress levels, lesser time to bond with families, SBI thought of extending a sense of camaraderie towards its employees by launching a unique family quiz contest, SBI Wizards. This employee-centric initiative has helped in lifting spirits and boosting morale by providing a befitting platform for employees to engage with other employees and their families from across the country. And this contest was substantially publicized to enable employees and families utilize this opportunity to connect and succeed. An astonishing number of SBI families participated from across the length and breadth of the country, as well as foreign locations on a virtual platform. Top 6 teams from each circle qualified for the quarterfinal.
This quiz conducted by my bank was an excellent opportunity.
It was really fun and learning experience.
The quiz based on the theme of positivity in such a pandemic time is a great effort shown by our management.
I really appreciate the initiative that was being taken by the SBI at this particular juncture of the life.
We had a fun time participating in the SBI Wizards family quiz.
With restrictions in movement due to the pandemic COVID-19, we spent joyous and interesting knowledge sharing moments with our fellow colleagues and families on holidays and Sundays while participating in SBI Wizard quiz competition.
Our participation in the SBI Wizards will be cherished for lifetime. Competing with the families of my colleagues really made me feel proud to be a part of SBI.
It was a very lovely experience to have attended the quiz with my dad, and thank you for the opportunity, and it was a really lovely opportunity. Thank you.
We're sending this in from Brampton, Canada. SBI Wizard was a very pleasant experience. It was so much more engaging than other domestic virtual corporate events that I've come across. This year it was a family event. My mom was ready with dahi chini. She was cheering us on.
We love SBI Wizards. It connected us as a family. We shared some laughs, some defeat, and it was great bonding exercise that already become a funny anecdote now. We are SBI family.
And after some very interesting and thrilling rounds, the finalists for the grand finale are from Bhubaneswar.
This is a great initiative by State Bank of India for conducting State Bank Wizard quiz at Pan-India level.
We are glad that we will be interacting with the Honorable Chairman of State Bank of India.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Kolkata.
Hello everyone. It feels great to make it to the finals of SBI Wizards quiz, as both of us are quiz enthusiasts.
It had been an exhilarating, fun-filled and competitive journey till the finals, and we for one have utterly enjoyed the experience. The bonus incentive was the inclusion of the family members in the entire event, which brings out the essence of this program, which is positivity.
Guwahati.
It was so pleasant to see such a huge organization like SBI bringing the families also under its fold and create a sense of belonging not only to me but for my family too. This quiz has also helped me to keep a check on where I stand, and it's always fun to participate and level up.
Bangalore.
It was quite unique and a lifetime experience to participate in an online quiz. The idea of involving family member is quite innovative, and it has increased the sense of pride in my bonding with SBI family. Thank you, SBI.
Our quiz journey has been great with unique questions, challenging questions by the quiz master. The lady luck has been smiling upon us till now and hope that it will continue. And the effort and the coordination by the organizers has been excellent.
Ahmedabad.
We felt on cloud 9 after reaching the SBI Wizard finale. The SBI Wizard on an online platform was a great experience for us.
I was also excited to participate in such a great event with my father. It made me inspired to know about various positive steps taken by various people all over the world.
And Mumbai.
Thank you SBI for giving me and my family this opportunity to participate in SBI Wizards.
The various rounds in SBI Wizards offered an opportunity to celebrate little moments of joy.
It also helped spread the spirit of positivity to move ahead.
The quiz offered an opportunity to make a positive impact in the SBI platform.
In the world of resilience, our employees proved that nothing is out of reach. After COVID redefining the way people live in this new normal, the online quiz initiative has pumped new energy in their life. The grand finale, unlike its quarterfinals and semi-final rounds held online, are to be held today at the most prestigious State Bank Institute of Leadership in Kolkata. The State Bank Institute of Leadership was conceptualized to offer world-class training facilities with state-of-the-art infrastructure to groom and develop leaders. It is a center of academic excellence and leadership focusing on high-caliber research, capacity building, and leadership development. We thank SBIL Kolkata for hosting this wonderful quiz program at their state-of-the-art auditorium. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these wonderful finalists of SBI Wizards are here today to compete in the grand finale and vie for the top position. They need your love and encouragement. Are you ready for action?